Nyankopɔn te asefo ewa yɛn afa ɛdeɛ bɛ kura na onipa betumi ayɛyɛ. If the Lord God is on our side, eka yɛn ho na ɔno na yɛde yɛwerɛ ne yakoma nyinaa to no so a ɔde ahyɛ bosome nsia mu sɛne yɛnuanom di yɛde ɛne yɛbɔ mpaeɛ ahodoɔ no na wɔtwe nyinaa de asi wɔ ma mpaeɛ yɛde aseda manyame sɛdeɛ wadi aboa yɛn aka yɛn ho ahwɛ yɛn soɔ afiwe ni yenim sɛ saa challenges bi ekɛseɛ bi deda yenim enso do nyame a ɔyɛ hintahunu nyame no hunu we nyina bibia ni hɔnom ahinta wɔ nanim da biara da bibia hinta wɔ nyame to asefo nanim da biara da bibia ni hɔ a ahinta wɔ nanim da biara da etimi mo akwa baba dwumadi Yesu abra ye toa so e wonyame to yasefo na nim yi ana akosia Prince Opoku Adwuma Ama Bianca Rain upon Jennifer Calling Yaw Guitar to say Josephine Prince and upon Charles Ama Bianca again Augustina and Amido Fie. Good morning to all of you. Share Jumedie our Facebook Kakrabi Huno Namaka. I also for Fianco Holland to say more no me kosono na fe me breno so eko. So just to thank God for all of you that are on Facebook, also on YouTube and so me check you out. Medenya me asia mamo. Mo radio so the well no se me hunu wodi. We over 1,000. Let's go na wabo madrena wode Frebia Freunia Baba one year brand TV for video to Adom 106.3. Abra Yaw Owusu Ansah for Riata and Fe Odi4 Ba Agnes Sasu Ewa Hanum na Yede Yempai Bo Akunyamiti as a foreign him. Yedikano, Mame no me Yembi and on fire Seda Menyamiti as a foreign. Now watching you know so when me some catch last week he said me ya Adom ene na no pa ene enwumra na no pa ne enwumra ye ompa ye bi bo ye borrow my father's house me say ye mbi asore say ye nhyiehie mu bebre eno tie wo fidi achi a na woni yen abo dan ye de ye no ye obi say na ye bi asore ye bi asore ho na ato asore asore mu ntuye no de ye ne aye safety nti esese empanyifo eye ne sa amaye aboa ye nyina man ka se me ye mo awurade de me ye nsom awurade mom si ye di nhyiemu de itero pay ye be ye ne sa e wo ho Ji ese no a wote se o mampanyire bie sa asori yetuhia nipa wo ha no wadi age ehyehyɛ ye wo ho entoto ye wo ho yeso fiti ya no makwa akohia yeso wade niema ntoto kwan mu kama ema nkunya no emu bye kakra kama na fe no obo modern so se wade Veronica Santiagata you know, BBC more sorry down kwano. Me ushers in our church and protocols. Good morning to all of you. And Ramo ya dear. And Ramo yes, our seminar no man yefe. Some questions be never imagine Saturday. Papa would see a baby sorry mbrana. Also, you want to say the sons of Isaac. So many more bread and a brano to be BBCB and and so thank you all for coming to that great seminar and the talks. Dr. Fuamuba Adom Ahengua. Women's Ministry, thank you very much for the retreat. Is it retreat or revival? Revival and a retreat. But thank you all for attending on online. Also, so I know some all this one. I don't believe it. Chapel in here. Because I saw it near BNO. I feel crying, it be better because 100 nadia. Supe. Mesrawa say open woman yet in Tima Oberhaso at the Atotonima Ebinie. I also find any boardroom, your papa, Bishop, the Right Reverend Dr. Nana, and any boardroom, while you way beer. We are sorry beer, it made the man free. When associates name all shares new protocol. The Mamosa na mode a church moho. Niamanibu protocols, no, during church service. Niamanibu were tinting the fe the amaye. Are you free? Yoka krebi. It was send a message my near. A quay befaswa be mount sakano. Na ya send the amount. More pen war. I say electronic ones, so no, you best send the amount. 0509 15 10 10. So we never now sorry one of my our circle here. And also so say Nyame Adoma a free and there Okohodoma, Bibe Honomo Bema Ubi. Jesus Generation Ministry. Jesus Generation Sanctuary. Jesus Generation Gathering Place. I was a year Vodafone phone and Chimuhua and the Yepa Umbressa Circle here. Ryan pay be one on the fast that can say Manyametri as a phone and Yomongomano Edio Ochi and 9 Psalm 84. Was it said the well rade what Tinabia Honor years fa a rade. Said the water be a honum see fefa asafwe rade. Said the well rade me ba when nimu ba a hoist se a fefa. A ye fefa. Said the well rade water be a ho. Me ba when nimu a ye fema me dodo. Okay, say okire for no can keke. Was me kra and gymnast na eto epitimpo ewe urade di hono no enti makoma ne me honam edi ehurusie me nyankopon te asefo se me ba wani mana ya na ya me fe keke se me ba wu nyame te asefo na nyim onyame agwama anopai me ne me se wa banyame anim mo Europe de mo wa fo fidane because of Pentecost. Bravo, Adia be also yes, Pentecost day, no, a holiday. Say, on mine, Obian fan Konya me and Yamin Casa. Orlando, Germany, Omotifiena, Bianco Babia, a your chef, Montrefi, Amoni Yamin Casa family. So Mama Abretre Holland ne adeno na dia modia Montrefi na oni Yamin Casa. Oni Ewurade Casa. Ose be kra ndi gina. One one ya to asore kra na ene desa. Ose me dia me kra ndi gina. Anopai ya denya me asese Ewurade ye fese ye ba wo Nyame te asefo nanim ye ba wanim a ye nya ogie ye nya wonsem ye nya asempa ye nya kasakire ye nya afutuo ye nya mpuntuo ye nya usawusunsum ba besra yen Editi makuma edi ahurusie se me ba wanim anopa wana wa makuma edi ahurusie se obo banyame anim no bie wano anane Ewurade nkasa. Express your gratitude. How lovely is your dwelling place, O Lord of hosts. My soul longs, yes, faint for the cause of thy Lord. My heart and flesh sing for the joy of the living God. Even the sparrow finds a home. And so impetu pre enya edan na asum fatakachachi enya ebuo adia asum fina katachi enya ebuo a obeto ne ma agumu a ene wafari buchi ano ausafo awurade mekene ene menyankopon yeba wadimu a yenya baabi di yentiri kohye abrasua ya benyame animu a yenya baabi di yentiri kohye yo twerefo no kanyina no impetu prempo enya edan na asomfa katachi so enya ebuo abeto ne mawom ye benyame animu a we become productive we be pabi pie free yemu anopai adentina me no me no ye ne e wade magina na ye bie ya no ne ye ka kire urade ye da wase se wa ma bosome foforo atoye ye da wase se ye nya wanim aba ye nyina ye bia no ne ye urade nkasa ye da wase ye urade da wase urade da wase ye urade da wase Yewura yada wase yada wase wono wama bosume nsien ababa toye wono ade ya shan bosume nsien mu a asedewura entruntrumura. We thank you, we bless you. Mamo Facebook no bia wano na ne awrade nkasa. My soul bless the Lord. My soul bless the Lord. My soul bless the Lord. Mekra utimi mu yewrade aye. Yewrade aye ma wobusia. Yewrade aye ema wadwuma. Yewrade aye ma womma. Yewrade aye ema country awoso. Glorify God and magnify the Lord. Yina ye danase ebusia wufrimu danase die abe wiase bebrebe wutimi enya aduane ade ma wo mma wutimi fidi wabusia wo ma me no papa nya bi ma wudia die wano na danase die wano na danase ebusia just bless we are calling the blessings of the Lord into this month. Yes, so February say Rade Bosumi ye nim de womu nanso wa wo de wunim bibi biara na bibi biara so da wanim no wakasa edi afire dachi ho efrin fitiase. So beginning of the month ye nim se wakasa fasa bosumi ho wana obenya adwuma wana obenya yire wana obenya kunu wana obenya nyinsan wana obenya asase bi ato Awurade wakasa dada enunti ye gyae ye ho nyina ye ne yebusua nyina hyewonsem ese Awurade ye ne yebusua Awurade bosumi emu nipa emu nhyira mema ne mboye ndabiara da. All the blessings in this month, opportunities in this month, greater things in this month. Oh God, open the wide doors for us. Awurade bie pono kese no fama ye mesro ene eye bosumi eda edikan enunti me de says ebre no asi wo se yenyina no ye wonpai ne yensre Awurade ho enepa yensre Awurade ho asomdwe yensre Awurade ho bambo yensre Awurade ho nom enigye yensre Awurade ho nom say goodness and mercy will follow us all the days of our lives, and even especially this month. Awurade mesra yen Awurade me bie pono kese emfama ye ne bushia. Why don't you lift up your voice? Why don't you open your mouth? Why don't you talk to God? And here, we are in the new month. It's a fresh month. Eti kanchire Awurade sɛ Awurade bra bɛsra me. Awurade bra bɛsra me. Awurade bra bɛsra me ne m'abusua. Awurade bɛsra me ne m'adwuma. Awurade bɛsra wɔ man yi a yɛte mu yi. Awurade bra bɛsra me ne me man me ne m'abusua. Lord, visit me and my family. Awurade bɛsra yɛn. Yɛn wo nsra hwɛ. Kakyere Awurade. Awurade bɛsra yɛn. Awurade bɛsra yɛn. Awurade a woyɛ ɔsrafo nyame. Wo bɛsra wo de nipa ma wo ma. Lucas sempa eti baako. Echichemu aduonu nsia. Lucas sempa eti baako. Echichemu aduonu nsia. In the 6th month, God sent an angel Gabriel. But in the 6th month, Onyame suma obofo. Onyame suma the bofo Gabriel. Onyame suma the bofo Gabriel. Onyame suma and God sent his angel. And then you die because Srewrade. You want to Srewrade. Srewrade. Basra me ne mabusia. Basra me ne me mai. Basra me ne me ma. Awurade, wona abasra o. Awurade basra, ode nepa, ode adwuma, ode ayaresa, ode bambo, ode mpuntuo, ode nkoso. What you approaching? And but God is visiting you. Lucas and Petit Bako. In Chichemwa, a year Dionusia, my annual was scripture. So we are dead. Well, Suma or Buffalo, and by the Basraya, you send your angel to visit. Lord, I ask that you visit me. When I'm in Buffalo Basra, or the Nepa, on Van Secro, on Van Conconsa, on Van Buffalo, on Van Mansoche. Awurade wabasra sira bida onyame sunsume onyame bofo onyame ahodene onyame ayaresa obasra no eno beka se ade bi ensi da no me de wo ba abaye ade re bi ensi da me de wo ba abaye ade re bi ensi da me de wo ba abaye in this 6 months awurade ade pa biara emanda adwuma pa biara quote the scripture kachira awurade wasem nie bosumi atoso nsia no wo soma wo bofo ene ode asem papa asema bi mada asema obi nti bida no obi anti bida awurade mamente sempa 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 babushia sabre no na Elizabeth nyem na awurade asa besra obi foforo ewa abushia no. This month, may God give a double portion of his blessing. Adipa biara ewe busuanum ade bia asase enepa adwuma pa ayaresa empuntuo enkoso Papa near Radin Kasa. And then Kasa. Kaka says, Sabrero no nyamia babesra Elizabeth Dadao. I will know him that God was giving a double honor to one family. And was Sabesra Ababa wa your friend Mary. Tienio. Etia bushie bia wansra hwe bia ose urade besra ye. Binim wo dia. We are in the 6th month. Na urade ahase aye bi dada edi amasa abushia no a. Eye Elizabeth ne Mary wo mu no. No aye Elizabeth abrewa de. Say na edura baba awaso. Na edura baba awaso. Na edura baba awaso. De nyame ayama oba abrewa Elizabeth no. Say na edura baba awaso. O ena no pe me sre urade ama obi. De nyame ayama unua panyini bi no. De nyame ayama wo fa no. De nyame ayama wa ante no. Ye nyame ye ma asumasi obenten e wo busuama wo bisa se da ben na me de beba da ben na me de beba da ben na me de beba may this month masa efri nei write it down efri ne sabi yo nyame di for the nyame akoade a efri ne Eurade ntie ye num asem so na Eurade embra mesra ye busua ombra mesra ye men Eurade mesra ye with a package of blessing Eurade mesra ye Eurade mesra obi e wa Germany, Holland, Italy, Finland, Norway, US, UK. It doesn't matter what is happening in this world. The visitation of the Lord. When you mean Sirahe, when you mean Basra, when you mean Obasrawa, when you mean Obasrawa, there is no barrier, there is no barricade, there is no resistance. Obia to be secret. It's your Rade, Basramimba, Miura Basramimba, Basrama Sifo, Basramanano, Rade Basraye, Biawanoka, Rade Demand Rade. Lord, I need your visitation. Lord, I need your visitation. Lord, I need your visitation. The uncommon blessing, uncommon opportunities, uncommon opportunities. At the Pebia Ebimada. And then you have Busumisia, Nida Dikai. Then Kaisa, when you remember Srabusiabi. I remember Srabusiabi. What Busia? We are candidate. Which Busia? You are standing in for your family. Eurade, Basraba Busia. Eurade Basrama 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 Busia. The person you want more Facebook or more chere. Amen. But can't go home. Speak a word. Proclaim. Confess it. Declare. Catch it around it. Don't just write, but speak to him. Oh Lord, Basraya, Basrami Bushia, Basrami mine, Basrama Bushia. Visit us, oh God, in the name of Jesus. Visit us, oh God, in the name of Jesus. Visit us, oh God, in the name of Jesus. Arade Basraya, Arade Basraya, Osrafunyame, Basraya, Yesu Dimo, Adima Zandari Bahanda. Catch it already. Don't just wait. Men change and will be near dance answer. While catching already in the 6th month, there was a visitation. But yeah, simple sume titi say moi. Yamin pasabe di bedi agro because there was a visitation. Nensra hell. The Radimesra, Radimaya be before fro. A Radimesra one woman. A Radimesra. Now Radibah Sarah said your oka yeno. Now Radibah Sarai. Send your Radika yeno. Now Radibah Sarah. And the Lord visited Sarah as he has said. And the Lord did it unto Sarah as he has spoken. Diana Radiaka, Diana Radiasia, and Commission Ben and Dawanu Abushia. And no name pesa was who jina when Yamia Samson. And all your Genesis chapter 21. And my kind Luke chapter 1 verse 26. Can it be a union album? There was a visitation. There was a visitation. And Srahebi ba. Abusi I want to ask you. And Srahebi namkwem. Boko koko. Bo punano. Bo mamimma. Bo papamma. Bo wajumemu. There is a visitation. Erade na ebesra. Be a one catch it erade. Erade me power chow. Besra me memma. Besra me mabushia. Besra me jumai. Besra my Ghana. Open your mouth. This week is a week of declaration, a week of prayer, a week of encounter, a week of divine visitation. Catch it erade. Erade me power chow. Erade me power chow. Erade me srawara. Besra yen. Why you bid that? Why you bid that? Erade me Sarah. Oba no ntimi insane. And the Lord visited Sarah. And the Lord visited Sarah. And the Lord visited Akuya. And the Lord visited Radia Yebida. Radia Yebida. Radia Yebino. Uncle Sunyabi. Oyema Elizabeth. Edrumero so. And the angel came. May today, this morning, may it be a visitation for someone. Against Rahema will be. Against Rahema will be. Oh God, help me and my family. Mama Sawa, may the Lord visit someone. May the Lord visit family. At Yaniasa, Sikaniho, Berade Besra. What the other for Framba? I rather the other for Framba. 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 And the Lord visited. And the Lord visited. Let your glory be revealed in my life. I need divine visitation. Divine supernatural empowerment. In the 6th month, there was a visitation. In the 6th month, there was a supernatural visitation. Makadu Saha, Yaduba Raya Kwadi. In the 6th month. Abusia, me what 2 minutes, we are done. But your scripture me no na me kanka ya. Lucas and Petibako. Chirato. Jemwa ya duonu nsia no nyame no ankasa e release angel. Tie na man kan chiro obi o se enya wo na wo bi se but God has released. When nyame ankasa aka kire ne bofo se kwa ya Owusu Ansah fie. Komanika fie. Kona kwasra won. Oh, I pray. Every now and pray. Obofo kase biara. Onyame asoma no. Onyame manembra. What in the prayer back? What the good message? What the good message? Message of assurance. At the Pabira Bimada and yet the bonnet. May God bring the angel. May God bring the angel. May God bring your angel. May God bring your angel. And God release the angel. When you remember Buffalo, it's an Europe, Germany, Finland, US, UK, baby, I will walk as a mancassim, as you bite, mancassim, brancassim, Pamine, and Suta, Mampong, Cobain, baby, I will Shabiara, and Kransa. May May the Lord visit you. May angel come to your house. May the angel of the Lord come with a message. 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 And the power won't be done. I pray for you. Mami di for Bompai. Mami di for Bompai.
Erade bosom nsie
nie.
Ana okosra Mary.
Kadima shada bakasaya.
Eyensra sha.
Makato sefa.
Magarima sakosha.
That big.
And the rather so besra yenya. Eyen kunimdie.
Fans and kunimdie sra.
Kunimdie na odeba.
Fan kunimdie sra. Fan the pasra yen.
Sabusum way and sra dia.
Hey.
And sra obesra yen.
Makosha
kunimdie mra. Eva ye die mra. Makosha mra. Eva kan komra. Ni oyare. Ewade kwasra no. Ni ohun baby onfa. Ewade kwasra no. No any daso, Quasrano, no Kuno, Quasrano, and no more, Manu, Essan said, what's running pa? I didn't couldn't be a neighbor. After Rade, and now was slow before, or can somebody yet dead, and it's Mary and Elizabeth. I rather Srache, Mempham couldn't be a man, somebody yet dead, and Radia somebody yet dead. Emra ya brabom asama ya de emra ya brabom enkunimdi asem ye di asem enkoso asem ahunya asem. Oh Jesus.
Adaka shanda akima no bofo no bai onyame obi biara wakana koma ediama ye bosumi baby ani pani se biara baby ani pani se biara baby ani pani te biara baby ani pani jina biara obi biara nyame akana koma so amaye abofudwuma so mfansem pamra so mfanida so amra. We stand here, we declare, we decree, we confess, we announce, we prophesy. Yeshankom eguwiem sewrade yeshankom abusia biara obrantie ababawa ewrade why ye bida baby ani da so nie abusia wo mani magu ase ache ewrade wa abusia wo mani magu ase ache ete se Mary ni Elizabeth abusia. You came to change their record. You are a record changer. You are a destiny changer. Erade se saniama. Erade se saniama. Erade se saniama. Erade se saniama. Ufata, vampire 1 minute. Vampire 1 minute.
Erade nyankopon ye show die enmu. Shire sem say.
Jesus.
Na okosra Sarah. Said the okan no. Na wo ye ma no. Said the wasem tie.
Jesus.
Ye shire busumi ensia busumi ensia ye wura mu. Erade ye bompa ye se.
Jesus.
The wo pa adwuma.
Jesus.
Oman mu ha. The adwuma bafom.
Jesus.
Niama say.
Jesus.
Aka ware.
Jesus.
Aka mofra.
Jesus.
Sikasem abafom.
Jesus.
Aduane ho yeten.
Jesus.
Wo Yesu die mu. Awurade a. Wo sra Sarah. Na wo yema no no. Sra wo mai. Na yema won. Jadanse ma won. Wo Yesu die mu. Obi Yesu ache. Obi di awre ho. Wo hia wo mo a.
Jesus.
Erade bu so menhien. Kone mo a. Wo Yesu die mu. Wo Yesu die mu. Wo Yesu die mu. Wo sakase mo. Wo di wo ma. Na wo ma daso no. Enya juma. Wo so menhien. Emfama wo ma. Wo Yesu die mu. Yo ya yarsa. Wo ya yarsa. Yo ya oje. Sandumo no. Ye kwa ma wo ma. Ye umeye.
Ye radiaka. 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 Emagama. Ye radiaka. Emagama. Ye radiaka. Emaya busia. Ye radiaka. Emaya busia. Ye radiaka. Ye radiaka. Said 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 ye radiaka. And yet the bron samaka. ɛnyɛ de abayifu aka ɛnyɛ de satanism aka ɛnyɛ de nkurɔfoɔ bi keka sɛ onyame asafo bɛgu ɛngu na agu kyina yɛnsa no adwuma ɛbɛfefɛ yɛmma bɛyɛ yie yɛasefoɔ bɛtu mpɔ. I speak by the word, I prophesy ɛnsɛmbɔne biara nkurɔfoɔ aka ɛde sɛ deɛ sane kyɛlɛ ɛkekaayɛ yɛreverse no wɔ Yesu din mu yɛwurade waka na wɔkyɛ yi bosome nsia let it come in the name of Jesus Christ. Abusia empire we wintimi nyai afidie nso de yebegyae na yama dwumadie atoaso. But you can be on the Facebook from 8 o'clock. This is the kind of prayer that we are raising this whole week. YOA, what do you know? A type YOA Adom Ahengua, just simple as that. The Kaisa Bosume Insiano. And you're married in a bisayo. Yaminwe who package or package. Position yourself well. New business ideas, new information, new visitation, different crowd. Yaminwa na ye. And yawo. And you probably to be in Sikwan. But one kasa obenya dance here ediwo. Baby biara wo utie ye na wo hwe bia. Write it down. There is going to be a supernatural visitation. Ghana, when Yamiba Siraya in a miraculous way. Ghana, oh Yamiba Maya Sumujie, election Ebaya Jo. Mama Niama, Abegu Haba Maka Quantrium, oh Yamiba Bia Quano. Almost a president, they said you're me about me. When Yamiba Diano, when Yamiba Diano, Yasimo man in Kosuku, when Yamiwa ye, no Baya Tuatua so. Oh, God will honor you and your family. Where your family package. Family package. Let's check it 21 of Genesis now. That's in Unyami Joye. Said your catcher Sarai. Said your kaya the pepe. Oyana pepe. The Radiaka Emblem. The Radiaka Emblem. The Radiaka Emblem. The Radiachino Emblem. The Radiashe Emblem. The Radiaka Maho Emblem. Ever Jesus Christ demo. Yamia Jan Yamio Banyamis so Kukru demo. And the Pentecost da for Fida. A Rade and one tuna our German in Europe. CJ. See, achieve the abranti ata, kwata. Na ezedia ayeho just and what they say ya dear fide ya boss. That's me yata. Oh, and also yata. And I was also Papa me so yata when I want to force. Show we. Let us from this time there will be out the and Tantao and Tantao and Tanta ministry. They say you be producer and Tanta ministry. I was here at me Jawama and Tafo Papa. I want to answer so yata. Hey, we are saying, I'm not quite